Hello guys and welcome back to Excelsior Academy. Guys, this interview series is going so good and I'm getting such a good response from you guys. I'm so happy and I'm really happy that this interview series is really actually helping you guys. So I got many mails through your comments, through your Telegram comments. I'm happy that this is helping. So let's continue without any further delay. So, how would a proteasome inhibitor affect NF-kappa B signaling? Again, this is very direct question if you ask me because already have taken in the cell signaling lecture series. So we know what is NF-kappa B signaling, right? So in order to understand like whether proteasome inhibitor, how it is affecting for that, you should actually remember the NF-kappa B signaling. So you know that. So once what happens is that when there is a growth factor binding to the receptor and the NF-kappa B gets activated. Now how NF-kappa B gets activated? If you remember, if suppose this is your NF kappa B, if this is your NF kappa B, then you have got something called I kappa B, right? Now this I kappa B is actually hiding the NLS. What is NLS? Nucleus localization signal, right? So before this could recruited into the nucleus, it needs to be exposed, right? So this I kappa B is present. Now once I kappa B is removed, then only the NF kappa B can enter the nucleus. Now how this I kappa B is being removed? So what happens is that in the case of NF-kappa B signaling, I-kappa B gets phosphorylated. Okay. Now, once it is phosphorylated, it is actually sent for the ubiquitination and which is then sent for the further degradation by the proteasome. Okay. So here the proteasome is playing very important role. That proteasomal degradation of I-kappa B will eventually result in the activation of NF-kappa B. So once NF-kappa B is exposing its NLS sequence, the important can come bind to the NF-kappa B and can recruit inside the nucleus, and finally the gene expression will take place. Okay, so that's why proteasome is playing an important role. But now, if the question is asked like how would a proteasome inhibitor will affect, so what will happen? So any proteasome inhibitor would block degradation of the I kappa B and it is going to prevent the NF kappa B activation, and hence what will happen, there won't be any gene expression, no cell signaling taking place. Okay, now guys, you have to do a small assignment with this. So whenever I'm going to take one question for you, there will be a attached assignment with that because this is for you guys. Okay, I mean this is going to help you only eventually. So your assignment for this session is that at least remember 3 types of proteasomal inhibitors. So what is your assignment? Proteasome inhibitors name. It's okay. And if possible, try to write and short notes on its mechanism, like how these proteasomal inhibitors are acting. Okay? Either it is blocking or by changing the structure or degrading the proteasome or whatever it is. So depending on that, just make a short notes on the 3 types of proteasomal inhibitors. And that's all for today, guys. Stay tuned with the Excelsior Academy for more questions like this, and this is going be very helpful for you guys. So thank you guys for watching the video completely. If you like the video, please smash that like button so that I will know that what I'm doing is actually worth. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe it and share it with your friend circle. You can have your own group and you can discuss over there these kinds of questions. And again, I'm telling because I'm getting many responses where I can see that many students are not able to focus on the answers. Like nervous हो जाते हैं interview देते देते. So as I said before, you need to practice giving answer. कैसे करोगे? Sit in front of the mirror or your camera, mobile, whatever it is, and the answer which I give you, try to say the same things in front of the camera or mirror. So this is how you're going to increase your confidence. Okay? Or you can make your sister or mother, father sit over there and listen to that. So that's on you how you're going to do this thing. You have to practice a lot so that you can stop getting nervous while giving the answers at the interview. So okay guys, all the best. Take care.